There's a lot of thoughts out there that when you butcher a boar and you cook it up, that it has a real funky smell to it and sometimes a funky taste. Before I had my boar butchered, I read online that some breeds don't have that same smell or very little smell to it or any kind of a weird taste to it. So we thought this is our first time. We're going to give it a try, and we're going to try with Squiggy. Squiggy kind of needed to go. We have now 11 pigs out in the farm. We just wanted to push pause on how much more we were going to allow to have on the farm and just make sure that that was a breed that we liked. And so we are going to start processing some of those. It was like about 2 weeks ago that the farmer's helper came out. We're a little nervous. Actually, my wife's a little nervous because we were told that there can be a strong odor when you're cooking a boar. But we're also told that the American Guinea hog, it doesn't seem to have that smell. So we're going to find out. We're going to test it. We're going to try it, and then when we end up butchering our other sow, we're going to compare the two. Squiggy was 212 pounds when it was dressed, meaning the hide was off of it. It was gutted. It was sawed in half, and it was two big giant pieces of a pig. So that hanging weight was 212 pounds, which is called the dressed weight. So we'll assume we got somewhere in the middle, about 125 pounds of meat off of a 300-pound pig. We got lots of different meat there. Ham's in there, bacon right here, pork chops, pork shoulder, there's more bacon, spare ribs, more bacon, bacon, pork shoulder, pork chops, bacon, pork chops, roast, pork chops, bacon, ham roast, pork chops, sausage. Put some of this sausage on the bottom. I like to put them in about a 1-pound package, just in case nobody likes it but me and I'm the only one eating it, and I don't have to thaw out 2 pounds and eat it all at once. So we'll do a pound at a time. Pork liver. I don't know who's eating that. I know nobody in my house. Pork sausage, more sausage. The amount of sausages we got is quite a bit. So, I mean, that's great for us because we like sausage. Probably eat that more than we're going to eat, some of the other meats. Big ham roast. We'll save that for Easter. We got a bag of bones, and that's good for making something, I think broth. And so we got the beef lard here, big slab of it. You can cook this down, make soap out of it. You can make grease or lard for cooking, and could be real good. The thing is she didn't really want it. She's like, what are we gonna do with a bunch of lard? We don't cook with lard. But the thing is, you're paying for it anyway, so you might as well take it, try it, see if you like it. No harm done. You throw it away if you don't like it, but it's not like you're saving any money by not getting it from the butcher. Same with the bones. You're paying for it anyway, you might as well take it. So, cool, we'll try it. If she doesn't want to do it, I'll do it. Like I said, 200 and some pounds dressed weight, and so about 125 pounds of meat, at least 100, and it fit in the 7 cubic feet freezer, and it looks to me like, we didn't quite even use, maybe more than half, but not even 3/4, and we got, if you didn't have the lard and the bones, then you're probably looking at using about half of it. So if you had to make room for 100 pounds of meat, you probably could do it on 4 cubic feet, it'd be my guess. But you want to have a little room for shuffling meat around and making room and not having it so tight that you can't find anything.
A lot of fat on that.
Okay, there's our first piece of bacon. Tried the bacon and they were great, and as I said before, there's a lot of thoughts out there that when you butcher a boar and you cook it up, that it has a real funky smell to it and sometimes a funky taste. We made a medium cut. We had a choice of thin cut, medium cut, or thick cut. We chose the medium cut, split the difference. I think next time we'll try the thin. It's pretty thick. And then, like I said, you know, these are known for being kind of fatty bacon. The meat itself is fatty. It's just, you know, you just don't get as much meat that you can eat off of it, you know, I guess as a percentage of the overall pig. But the meat that you do get is really, really good. So then we had a lot of sausage made, and so we're gonna try that. So I'm gonna show you what that looked like. Turn these over. Okay, here we go. It's really good, doesn't taste weird. So excited because we got 100 plus pounds of meat in that freezer. I'm so glad I don't have to throw it away. I was really worried that this was gonna be bad. And, we've tried 3 different kinds of meat. We've tried the bacon, we've tried the pork chops, now we've tried the sausage. On Easter we'll try the ham. That's a few months away. But so excited that we got to raise our first animal from beginning to end, and processed it, had really good meat, really good results. Thanks for watching.